Hey everyone, in this guide, I'm going to show you how to add an age verification pop-up to your Webflow website. It only takes 2 minutes and you don't need any specific skills to do it. First of all, let's go to Elfsight and choose the age verification widget in the menu list. The link is in the description. Click Create Widget. So, let's create your widget. Begin by choosing a template that suits your case best. Click Continue with this template. Set the minimum age, verification method, and other parameters to ensure your website complies with age restrictions. Customize the age verification pop-up's logo, text, and additional information to effectively control access to your website. Customize the design of your age verification pop-up to create a visually appealing and on-brand experience for your visitors. Click Add to Website to get the embed code for your website. Log in or sign up to Elfsight. This is free, no credit card required. After you sign up, you'll see the widget that you have just created. Click on the code to copy it and go to your Webflow admin panel. Paste the age verification embed code into your Webflow website's admin panel to add it to your website. Now let's add the widget to your Webflow website. Log in to your Webflow account and open the editor for your website. Click the plus icon in the Webflow Designer. Drag and drop the embed element to the place where you want the widget to appear. Paste your Elfsight installation code into the embed code editor window, then click Save and Close. When ready, click Publish and select Publish to selected domains to make the changes live. That's it, your form builder widget is now live on your Webflow website. Thank you for watching this video. Enjoy your day.